Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vince. I'm about to show you one of the biggest scam apps to ever exist. It's funny because the app itself has existed before on the Play Store, okay? This is an app that apparently allows you to win real life money. Get this though, okay? This app actually existed before. It's called Balls Merge 2048, I'm pretty sure. What this app is, everyone, apparently I just won $66 of PayPal money, by the way. Yeah, what this is, everyone, is the biggest scam app ever. Like, I've never seen an app that's as big as a scam as this, okay? Essentially, you have to merge the balls, that's why it's called Balls Merge, and make some real-life money out of it. As I said, you just saw me get 66 real-life PayPal dollars, apparently, okay? Pretty much, this app, sole purpose, is to make you watch ads. That is it. All you have to do on this app, really, when it comes down to it, is watch ads. It is insane. And you look at the reviews. I'll be showing the reviews of Balls Merge on the screen right now, and you will see what people are saying about this app, okay? I'm going to watch an ad right now just to get the fake PayPal money that they're never, ever going to give. Watch this. You ready? There we go. $2 American, everyone. Add to my wallet. Sweet. So now we're on $68. Now, I'm fairly sure we need $100 to cash out. Yes, we do. Look at this, everyone. $100 to cash out. Now, the big scam is you're never, ever going to get the $100, everyone. That's what the big joke is. Oops, I actually merged that in the wrong spot then. That's okay. Yeah, that's what the big joke is right now. This is the biggest... I don't know how. This is the biggest scam ever and how it's allowed on Google Play. Guys, your finances are never going to improve by playing apps, okay? I'm sorry. Like, these are specifically made to trick people into playing them. Like, look at this app right now. Do you really think you're going to become a PayPal millionaire? Like, do you really think these people are going to pay you to play their app? Let's be real, everyone. Seriously. I'm not going to watch another ad, by the way. It forces you anyway. Look, you got some lady just freaking out here. What's going on right now? Anyway, it's just mental. It's just a mental situation. I'm going to download this app as well. Lucky Pusher. I'm going to download that as well, okay? I'm just going to download these apps because I believe they're all fake. Every app that you see on the screen right now, essentially, with these ads, it's all fake. It's all a joke, guys. I can't get over how this is allowed. Please let me know in the comments what you think of an app like this. Do you reckon it's a scam, everyone? You have to say yes. Please say yes. If you say no, it's not a scam, I will laugh forever. There is no way this app is not a scam. Like, legitimately. I'll probably get an ad again. Watch this, everyone. You ready? No, I didn't. Ooh. Tricky, tricky. Now, I have to get to 256 there. Even though the game is just called Balls Merge now. Just remember that. The app is literally called Balls Merge. There's the other ad. Yeah. Look at her screen. Look at this lady. Commonwealth Bank. $40,000. And she's dancing everywhere. Really? I'll install this. Why not? Diamond blocks. Oh, if I win real life money, I'll be very happy. I'll be very, very happy. Apparently, I can win real life money from a slot to machine app there. Right, I'm sure, dude. That's probably not going to happen on the Play Store. Not in Australia anyway, so that's definitely fake. Got to give that a try later on. Another PayPal win. Thank you very much. Now, there's a leveling system here as well, which I have no idea what the purpose of the leveling system even is. This is just insane to me. I don't like... And I'm sure I've repeated it many times throughout this video, I don't like how this is allowed. And I'm so happy that there are people reviewing this app and saying how bad it really is. It fills my heart with joy. Look, we just leveled up, everyone. Excellent. Continue. I've got nothing for leveling up there. The leveling up system is completely pointless. I've now just been thrown another ad. So, I will be downloading this ad as well, this app as well. How do I download this? I definitely want to play it. This is another real-life money-winning app, apparently. I just don't know how to download it. There's no button to download. Where is it? Where's the button? Who knows? It's forcing me to watch the ad, though, but I can't even download it. That's a great ad design. I'm just going to close it. Don't know what that was all about. I did want to play that. I'm assuming that's that Lucky Dice app. There's a lot of scam apps going around right now, everyone. Just be safe out there. It's a pretty bad situation on the Play Store these days, legit. The reason for these videos mainly is to make sure people don't waste their time on bad apps like this. I'm trying to show you what it's all about and why you shouldn't sink time into it. Because the money starts to slow down eventually, everyone. That's the problem with apps like Balls Merge. And I can't believe they changed their name. Do you know how funny that is to me? on a human level, everyone. That is hilarious. Now, I want to watch the ad. You might as well just watch the ad, dude. This is how they trick you as well. Even if you press escape, you're going to be watching a video ad no matter what. So I might as well just watch the ad and get the fake money. Here we go. There we go. Now I only got $1.30, guys. So last time it was $2. Now it's $1.30. See how it drops the closer I get to 100? It's just ridiculous. I really hope no one falls for this app. And I really hope I've saved a lot of people time, honestly. Just sad. It's a sad situation. And I've discovered so many apps that do this as well. Like, they're literally just flooding the Play Store. And I'm not going to stop until everyone understands how bad these apps are. Like, honestly, it's a complete joke. And it makes me sick. Look at this. It's giving me another ad. Seriously, dude? What is this? What's this app? I want to know what this is. Confirm. What is this app? I want to see. Brickbuster. It's got nothing to do with Brickbuster, this app, bro. Like, what? What? Brickbuster, everyone. I already played Brickbuster on my channel. All the scam ads are all together. That's what's hilarious to me. They're all together, everyone. All the scam apps are together. How sweet. How nice. Wow, 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 wow. That's alright. Let's quickly merge all these together. Let me guess, another ad? Let's see. No, you didn't give me one. Nice. I'm sure if this app could, it would definitely try and give me as many ads as possible. Legit. Now I need to try and merge these two together to get 256 to go to the next stage. There's the ad. Wow, dude. Seriously. What's this? A puzzle app. You get real life money. $15 for the puzzle app. What is this one? What's this one? I gotta look at this. Lucky Woody Puzzle. This app again. Jeez, what a situation. That app's completely garbage, by the way. Just an FYI, everyone. Seriously, dude. Like, what do I do? What do you do in this situation, everyone? I'm just trying to get to the 256 area. It's not letting me go there just yet. 4, 2, 4. Come on. I'm going to be here all day. I'm literally going to be here all day just merging these balls together. There's the 16 I need as well. If this gives me an ad, I'm turning it off. Lucky. You're very lucky, app. Legitimately. 16, 16, 2. Don't give me an ad. I'm turning it off. I'm done. It's over, everyone. Done. Done. Balls merge is disgusting app. Get rid of it. Delete it. Done. Thank you very much for watching. Check out my other videos where I cover other scam apps, everyone. I'll catch you all around. See you later.